The main vector of attack for RisePro, a virus used to steal login credentials for financial services, cryptocurrency wallets, and credit card data, is pirated games and software. The practice, which has not been reported despite indications that it has been active since the beginning of the year, is also a component of an operation that offers malware as a service, with those who are interested in carrying out attacks paying for each successfully completed installation. Numerous solutions are affected by the threat, ranging from well-known browsers like Chrome and Firefox to less well-known ones. Extensions targeted at various cryptomodas and payment methods, from the most well-known to the least well-known, are also included. These services logins and passwords, as well as those of the gaming platforms Discord and Battle.net, are all included in the RisePro's attack strategy. Along with pirated games and software, the virus also spreads by posing as changes or traps for well-known games. False websites and services that provide this type of content are in the works to spread malware, while those responsible for attacks may identify targets or services that they will use specifically to get data and launch targeted attacks on the targeted population. After successfully contaminating a system, the attacker conducts a thorough investigation to see which solutions are available, gathering information about their own machine that is forwarded to a control server. The response is in line with the criteria for attack set by the attackers away from the RisePro responders, with the data thereafter being collected and also sent to infrastructures under the control of the criminal enterprise. The entire system is provided by criminals via Private Loader, a marketplace for threats that also sells fake websites, phishing email templates, and other operational support tools. Telegram is used for all communication, including controlling infected devices and receiving information from compromised systems. Due to similarities in the codes, Sequoia's researchers on digital security, who were also responsible for the RisePro discovery, linked the virus to this group. The Private Loader, which had previously dealt with third-party attacks like Raccoon Stealer and Red Line, was expanding its activities to focus on more personalized and unique solutions that were based on other known threats. There is also the possibility that we are dealing with a brand new virus distribution platform created by former software developers with ties to market suppliers. If such is the case, it is advised to exercise caution when carrying out downloads and installations related to piracy. The recommendation is that users stay away from downloading phony software and only utilize trusted marketplaces or developer websites, keeping operational systems always operational as well as active security solutions on the computer.